Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's take a look at the little 1/16 scale Sprint RC buggy. It's made by UJIETOYS. It is 2.4 gigahertz, 7.4 volt lithium ion battery, and it is a 390 brushed motor. You have digital proportional steering and throttle control. Enough talking about it. Hope you're all doing well. Let's see what it's got. Thanks for watching. There's a couple ramps set up there. I'm going to try to hit the ramp. Yeehaw, look at that. We got a cat come and watch. Ah, look at that. Never had a cat come after my vehicle before. This could be entertaining. Hungry kitty. Hi kitty. I don't want to hit you with this. Why are you chasing my RC car? First time for everything, right guys? Oh, look at me. Time to get my exercise. Hi kitty cat. Where you come from? Look like you must be hungry. Poor thing. This thing won't taste any good, I promise. Plastic and rubber, and some metal. Well, I'm distracted. Sorry guys. Got a predator on the field, on the racetrack. I chopped the grass down short so I could test out some RC cars and trucks. Yeehaw, look at that thing. That's handling that ramp pretty well. That's a good size ramp for this little bitty 1/16. Well, look at me. It ripped the spoiler off. Whew, done endo. It's got really good brakes. Now we're good. Kitty cat, I don't want to hurt you. But I do want to hit this ramp some more. Uh-oh. We can get another endo. That was pretty cool. Oh yeah. What about a wheelie? Oh yeah. She can pop wheelies even. Weehaw. Look at that. Impressive. I think this was around $60 or $70. So pretty budget friendly, hobby grade. You can upgrade it to brushless. They do have a brushless version. So if you're interested, check them out. I bought this one on Temu.com. If you haven't heard of them, just search them up. You'll find them. They have an app or they have a website. And you're always getting coupons, and they have special deals for new app users. So you can really catch a good bargain. I've done a lot of shopping through them and I've had no bad experiences. Nothing out of the usual. Every once in a while you'll get something damaged, but that's typical. Logistics. Oops, I keep hitting that side of the ramp. This one, the lights, you have a couple headlights in the front there, they stay on full time. You don't have a third channel on this one to shut them off. So if you want to drive it at night, you will have a couple lights there to help you get through there. Look at me, man. I am good at not doing good up this ramp. If I shut up and just concentrate. That seemed to work better. Wheelie time. Yeehaw. Endo. Endo. Wheelie. That's not my best side. I'm gonna start jumping it from this side, I guess. Excuse me, kitty. Still hanging out. I think it wants to eat it. Yeehaw. That was cool. This little thing's doing better than I expected out here in the grass. Man, it takes that ramp good. Sorry, kitty. Unintentional. No. Thank you. Nice wheelie. Yeehaw. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty cool. There's pretty good shocks on it. Good rubber tires, little knobbies. Yeah, yeehaw. Still got enough juice to give you a wheelie in the deep grass. Well, it's not so deep. It was deeper earlier today before I cut it. Good product, guys. I think this would be a good one to get for you, for the kids, for the wife, for whoever. Good gift. Can't go wrong there. I'm sure they'll love it. Yeehaw, or at least enjoy it. Maybe not love it. Love's a little strong. Yeehaw. It's got to be getting a little bit juiced. It is a the battery is a lithium ion, and it's two 18650s tied together to make 7.4 volts and 1500 milliamp. All right, it's slowing down. I think we're going to call it quits right here. See if we can do another wheelie and endo maybe. There's a wheelie. Nope. Can't do no endos anymore. Getting too juiced. See if the cat wants to smell it. You smell it? Well, that thing does good. Stays up on that incline like that. Got a good braking system. Oh yeah, yeehaw. All right, I'm gonna end it here, I promise. All right, there you have it, guys. 1/16 scale Sprint RC buggy made by UJIETOYS. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.